Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Sehri series, episode 5. Today I'm making Doodh ka Khajla Pheeni. It's a traditional Ramadan sweet for Sehri. Khajla Pheeni. First, add boiled hot milk to bowl. Add sugar 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Lightly crush the pheeni, add hot boiled in milk. Mix well. Rest in 10 minutes. Break the khajla into small pieces. Add hot boiled milk. Mix well. Rest in 15 minutes. Alhamdulillah, ready to eat. Our delicious Doodh ka Khajla Pheeni is ready. Garnish with almonds and pistachios. Like, share, and subscribe for more Ramadan recipes. Thank you for watching.